Welcome to my channel, EasyLingual. Before asking for directions in French, let's first learn the names of places every traveler needs to know. First up is la gare. It means the train station. Use it when you're catching a train or asking for help at a railway hub. Repeat after me, la gare. The next word is l'hôtel. As the word shows, it means the hotel. This word helps you check in, ask for directions, or locate nearby accommodations. Say it with me, l'hôtel. Moving on to next, l'aéroport, which means the airport. Whether you're landing in Paris or flying to Lyon, this phrase is your key to finding airport services. Try this, l'aéroport. Next up is le restaurant. This means the restaurant. Ask a local where the nearest restaurant is, and you'll be enjoying your food in no time. Say it with me, le restaurant. The fifth word is la station de métro, which means the metro station. It is essential for hopping around the city via subway. Paris's metro system is fast, convenient, and a little maze-like, so this one matters. Say la station de métro. One bonus word for the day, la gare routière, which means the bus station. This word leads you to the bus station for regional and national travel when you need local or long-distance buses. Say it with me, la gare routière. Awesome job! You've learned 6 key places in French. Next time, we'll practice how to ask for these places. Stay tuned and don't forget to say them out loud.